Hello everybody, today I have an unboxing for you of the iPad 11. Now this ain't mine, this is for my sister. So it has come time for her to replace her iPad 10 with something new. So here is its replacement. Now you might remember in an earlier video I did the unboxing of a new mobile phone, which was the iPhone 17. But today we're going to unbox her new iPad 10. So this is iPad 11, not 10. Now, this is identical to the iPad 10. The difference really is just the specs. All right, so this one here is in pink, and it is a 256GB model, which is the smallest that you can get on this. This is the iPad Classic, by the way. Her previous one was actually 664, so Apple have now doubled it. I remember when they used to be 16GB, but now they're a lot larger. Now, this one here has 5G, of course, and it has the embedded eSIM. So that's something that's new. Now on the box it just says iPad, and it is color matched to the device itself. There's no 11 anywhere. And so let's unbox this and we'll see what we get in the kit. Just make sure it's in the camera. Now of course we have pull tabs. We don't have plastic bags anymore. So what we do is we just pull these off and we chuck them into the recycling bin. So once we get those off, the box is now unsealed. So these of course seal the box shut. And just checking it's in the camera. And let's lift the lid off. And there we have the iPad 11 itself, which comes in this nice paper wrapping. They used to be plastic, but now they're paper. So they're much more recyclable. So you just chuck them into your recycling bin. We have a little tab, so we just lift this up. And there we have the iPad itself. And of course, it is the exact same design as the iPad 10, just different specs. All right, so we'll set this off to the side and we'll have a look and see what we get in the box. So inside here, we get designed by Apple in California. We get in the instruction booklet. And we also get the warranty card. Now, one thing we don't get is Apple stickers. All right, so we don't get them anymore. And I should have mentioned in the iPhone video, because the iPhone didn't come with the Apple stickers either. So Apple have now discontinued the Apple stickers. So that's something that we lose, just like how in the iPhones, they don't include the plugs or the headphones anymore. All right, so inside here, we get our braided USB-C charging cable. Now, this is white, unlike the MacBooks and, of course, my iPad Pro. You get coloured cables. The iPad Pro that I got, the iPad Pro 7, came with a black cable. This is coming with white. And if you get a MacBook, usually it's colour matched to the MacBook and the iMac if you get an iMac. So this is only white. So we only get a white cable, and it is a braided USB-C cable. We also get our plug, which comes with a paper wrapping around it. Let's take that off. And this is a 20-watt plug. And this is something that Apple does not supply with iPhones anymore. So if you want this, you'll have to purchase it separately. So that's our plug, our cable, and of course our instructions and warranty. And of course we did lose the Apple stickers, but that doesn't really matter because I don't use them anyway. So what's the point of that? All right, so let's put this box off to the side now. And we'll move on to the tablet itself. So let's take this paper off and we'll see what we get in here. So here we have the device itself. So there's the paper wrapping, so that I'll just chuck into the recycling bin. So here we have our iPad 11 itself, and as you can see, it is very, very shiny because it is brand new. This will eventually get fingerprints on it. So on the bottom we have our USB-C port, which is color matched to the device. This side we have the smart connector for your keyboard cases, if you have one of them. On this side, we have our two volume buttons. Now, on the iPad Pro, the iPad, they're on the side. On the top here, we get our Touch ID button, which is also the power button. So still no Face ID. And this is starting to get quite old, so it's probably time that Apple does bring Face ID to the Classic, but it's still iPad Pro only. And one thing this iPad does not get is a SIM card tray. So that's because this has an eSIM, which is actually built into the device. So you get no SIM card tray. And also you get no SIM removal tool because there's no SIM tray. So that's one thing that's different with the iPad 11. And probably all the new iPad Pros and the iPad Airs with 5G. Well, my iPad is just Wi-Fi only, so... All right, and another thing, if you buy the 5G models, they usually come with an extra antenna on here. On the back here, we have our camera. We get no flash, of course. The iPad Classic does not get a flash, but we do get the little microphone there. We also get a nice reflective Apple logo. And I do like this nice pink chassis, even though this is a girl's colour. If I got the iPad Classic, I'd probably get a blue one. And we will need to get a case for this as well. And then that's something that I will need to order for my sister. So let's power this thing up for the first time. Yep, comes charged. And you can see, make sure you can hold it up so you can see it. You can probably see the element buttons in the reflection there. Yep, so yep, sister's upgrading her iPad. So she's had the iPad 10 for about 3 years now. I remember doing the unboxing. All right, comes with 83%, and we're greeted with that hello screen, similar to what you see on the iMacs. We want English, we want Australia. Yep. There we go. And I'll just set this to default. All right, and it is telling us to set this up. So what I'll do is I'll have to bring another device over, so like her phone, and we'll set this up, and then she can start using it. So that is the unboxing of the iPad 11. iPad 11, 128GB with 5G in pink. So hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.